Hey, let's learn the melody of All I Want by Kodaline on the ukulele. I recorded a small part of the song where I'm playing the melody and I recorded a chord sequence over that. So you're gonna listen to that in a second. After that, I created an exercise where you'll see the different fingers that you need to use for the different notes bouncing up and down because they're following the rhythm of the melody. So, this is finger one, this is two, this is three, and this is four. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna see them bouncing up on the fretboard of the ukulele, and that will indicate when you have to pluck them to successfully play the melody on time. Oh, by the way, this is just the verse, the first verse. I haven't covered the chorus yet. So here's my short recording. So now you will hear the melody and you will see the numbers bouncing up and down on the fretboard. In the second part, I've slowed down the video to allow you to practice. However, there's no sound because I wanted to encourage you to play. And finally, it's now time to play it with the accompaniment that I've created in the background. You ready?